and talk about these sorts of things. So I'm very thoughtful regarding even being able to pick out different scenes for the patients to be able to watch and even have them rewatch, and that a number of times. It's very common to hear a patient say, I had to watch it 5 times to actually understand what we were talking about in therapy. And so we know that film actually may not just be one therapy session. Generally, it isn't. It's something that they're going to work with over the course of months within their healing.
Now, this is useful to say. This is not like a regular movie in terms of what you do in therapy. So you know how sometimes you don't want to say who the killer is? You don't want to say I don't want to spoil it for you. Okay, in this way, yes. Tell the person that you're prescribing a movie. Tell them what it's about. Walk them through what they're going to see. Give them directions when you watch this film as a part of what we do in therapy. And I'm making an assumption that they're going to do it while they're not with you. Sometimes it does happen in groups that you actually watch the film all together in the therapy setting. But a lot of times when you're in private practice, from one week to the next week, they're then watching the movies. So it's important to give some direction around, make sure that you have a designated time to do this. Make sure that there's a cushion. I come up with my own language in therapy with my clients, and I say, have a cushion where before you're sitting with yourself and, okay, I'm going to watch this movie. I know that it's going to affect me in some emotional way. And when I watch the film, I'm going to give myself some time after the film to make sure that I can settle with it. And if your client likes to journal, it's great to ask them to have a reflection. And maybe you would even ask them to watch the film close to the time that they're going to see you next. So these are all just little pieces where you help therapeutically get your client to be invested in the experience. Very different than just, I heard about this movie and I think it would fit really well.